Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you a berry crumb cake. Very delicious and it's a must try. I have fresh berries, strawberry, blackberry, and blueberries, baking powder, eggs, vanilla extract, orange, sugar, all-purpose flour, oil, and seltzer water. If you have club soda, you can use that as well. Please preheat your oven at 350 degrees. I'll first combine my baking powder and my all-purpose flour. I'll give it a quick mix and then set that on the side. In a separate bowl, I'll add my eggs and my sugar, and then I'll beat both together on a high speed for 5 minutes or until thick. I'll then stir in a quarter cup of oil and then give it a mix as well. I'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll mix it in, and then I'll be adding half of my flour mixture to the batter. I'll be mixing on a low speed just until incorporated. I'll then grate a tablespoon of orange zest into my batter. If you have lemon, you can use lemon as well. Just grate a tablespoon of lemon zest if that's what you have. I'll then measure a third of a cup of seltzer water. The seltzer water or any sparkling water causes cake to rise better, and it results in a fluffier texture. I'll mix until well combined. I'll then add the remaining of my flour into my batter, and then I'll give it a good mix. I'll set that on the side and I'll begin to make the crumb topping for the cake. In a separate bowl, I have my flour. I'll add salt, my sugar, and then I'll give it a mix. I'll then add 4 tablespoons of butter or half stick of butter, and then I will use my fingertips to create crumbs, and this is how it should look. I'll be using a springform cake pan. This type of cake pan has a removable bottom and adjustable sides that are secured with a clamp. If you have any round cake pan, you can also use that. So I'll transfer my batter into my cake pan and then use my silicone spoon to even it out. And then I'll place my berries evenly over the top of the batter, just like so. You can also use frozen berries to do this, or you can even use any berries. You can use only strawberries, you can use only blueberries. You don't have to have all the 3 berries. I'll then spread my crumbs all over the top of my batter, and then I'm ready to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Please do not overbake your cake. If you do, the inside is going to harden. And to check for doneness, I'm inserting a toothpick or a skewer in the middle, and when that comes out clean, that is an indication that my cake is done baking. I'll allow it to cool for about 10 minutes before cutting through. I'll then use my silicone spoon to release the sides of the cake for easy removal. I'll simply open the clamp to release the sides. I'll then leave the bottom of the pan under the cake while serving. I humbly want to thank each and every one of you for being part of this channel. We finally made it to 500 subscribers. I am humbled, I'm grateful. I thank you guys all for always watching and for your support. I went ahead and cut through the cake, and look at it, guys. It is so delicious and it tastes amazing. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And the cake is super delicious. Thank you guys all so very much for your support. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe, share, comment. Thank you for your support. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye, guys.